Hello viewers, welcome back. So, before we continue, I wanted to show you this, let's say, finished first cabinet, which looks really nice. The furniture is perfect and so on. But the purpose of this video is, as its subject shows, a mistake, a rocky mistake that I did not take into account. So this is something for the learning curve. For you, I have not been dealing with this slides for some time, and I forgot to take something into account. When I open now one slide, everything seems to be working just fine, yeah? And also we have a soft close mechanism, works perfectly. I have no complaints about that. On the other side, I did a rocky mistake, and this mistake is I cannot open the upper drawer. And why this happened? This happened because the slides actually have three guides, three slides. So I did not take into account this middle slide, and this is like this is 45 millimeter. So the big one. The second one is 35, and then 24 is the one which is actually mounted on the box of the cabinet. Yeah, and I did everything perfectly right, just forgetting that this will, if I open now this the upper drawer, okay, you see now, and I'll make it now close to something that does fail out. When I want to open this, you can see I will take my phone. When I want to open now this upper drawer, I forgot that this has 3 stages. So the stage which was planned is perfect, yeah, and this should not have happened, but I forgot that there is a middle. When I open now, it is a problem. Houston, we have a problem. So what to do if this happens to you? Nothing is destroyed, luckily, so we can fix this quite easily, but I'll show you how. So what we actually just have to do is put both this, also the slide on the box, on the drawer, and the slide on the corpus. We have to put 1 centimeter up, yeah, so that we hide that still the holes will not be, we will need new holes, but these holes will not be visible. It will have enough distance to overcome this, this small problem of 2.3 millimeter. Yeah? So this is something that happens, and I just wanted to show you this, that even to me, and I did some of these, I forgot this middle layer. And what does this mean? So when I go now to my computer, all right, so now we have the plan. So what was actually missing on this plan for the mounting of drawers? So this distance, everything fits perfectly, and I have no problem, but essentially what I did, I forgot to draw, and I would never forget this. If I go to version 2 now you see that the drawer consists of 3 stages, yeah, or 2 stages. One is fixed on the corpus, but this is now it. So what does this mean now? So the bottom, we have no problem, yeah. The bottom of the drawer, yeah, is with the bottom of this small slide, which is on the box itself, on the drawer itself. But now for the upper boxes, yeah, we have to move it 1 millimeter up, and this is now this 10 millimeter, yeah. And then this it's not anymore, what is mounted on the drawer itself, it's not anymore on the bottom of the drawer, but it's 1 centimeter up. And the same has to happen also with this outside, so these 2 things which are basically on the corpus, yeah, they also have to go up, so that now this element, you see this now, where is my mouse, would not stuck into this. Yeah, so now this is like 6 millimeters above, and no problem. Yeah, so this is really the design. So I was hurrying a little bit, pay not attention enough, and this is something you should not do. Yeah. All right. So what is the lesson here? The lesson here is study your slides. Yeah, your slides have to be studied the most, and this is what I said at the beginning in my first video, second and third video, that I think the drawers are the most difficult part of furniture or cabinetry making. And if you do a mistake, this can cost you. Luckily, this is now an easy fix. It will take me 2 hours still, maybe 3, to move now this to another place, but at least I was smart enough to do one first, to one box first, so I don't have to do this on all the other, because on the corpuses that have to be now prepared for the other drawers, I will not put slides on the wrong place, which go to the box itself. So this is now really a saved situation, because I have now 5 drawers to fix. Just move this thing 1 centimeter up and then correctly put everything on the corpuses, and the problem is fixed. But again, it's a lucky mistake this time, and this is something that you really have to worry about, because as I said, you cannot move something 2-3 millimeters. So because the screw itself, it's 4.5. Yeah, we have 4.5 millimeter screw. So if you need to drill it now somewhere else, it's gonna need to be at least 1 centimeter up or down, or in or out. So this would not work. The other way how to solve this potential problem is simply to make new holes on these slides with the border, and then you could do this. Yeah? But if not, then you have to move really. You have to move 1 centimeter stuff, so that the problem is basically solved. Yeah. So lesson learned. Don't make this mistake as I did this time, but it was really a good lesson. Yeah? Otherwise, you would never know, because my 3 videos did not take this into account. I will not delete them, so this is really now a fixing issue video, and it's good that this happened at the beginning before I'm finished with everything. So this takes, which will cost me almost no money at all. So thank you for watching. If you stay at this video, this one is really important, where I repeat one more time that the slides and drawers are the most difficult part of this job. So thank you for watching. Until next video, stay tuned.